Shalom. So this is for all the people who don't believe in the dome, yeah? NASA means to deceive. Deceive, great deceived, beguiled, seize. NASA. Remember, NASA is in Hebrew, so a lot of y'all didn't know what it meant. Now, if you saw a pretty green bottle, looking like it's got some juice inside of it, but yet it says poison on it and you could understand the language, would you still drink it? I wouldn't. But y'all are so slow, so I say unto y'all, pick your poison. So, my point was when I said nobody went to space, yeah? I'm talking about this space right here, which y'all call the Earth's atmosphere. Now, for us flat earth believers and dome believers, we believe that this is water right here, because the scripture also speaks about it in Genesis chapter 1 verses 7. Now, where your exosphere ends, that's where we say the dome ends, right? It's a dome right there, the top of the dome. So the thermosphere, the mesosphere, the stratosphere, and the troposphere. These are the spaces that y'all have been. These are the spaces that NASA so-called went. They never went after the dome or over the dome. They have never been through or past the exosphere. NASA owns Hollywood. Operation Hollywood, how the Pentagon shapes and censors the movies. David Robb, go read that. World War III started from your TV, your television box, and the theaters of war. The CIA owns NASA. The majority of NASA's shares is owned by America. And the majority of Hollywood shares is owned by also high elite members. My question is this. The first NASA mission was in 1972, right? Why are they telling us here that it's going to take 2025 till 2025 before we go back to this moon? And their excuse is because of funding shortfall and a lawsuit over landing vehicle. But yet their annual budget is 22 billion and they're short of funds to go back to the moon. You believe that shit? The CEO of NASA makes like 377,000 per year, sometimes 102 to $1 million per year. Pause and read. Highest paid employees. But yet they're running out of funds. Does that make any sense? The United States government contributes 22 billion, bruh. So I typed in meteorite on the ground. There's nothing popping up because there's none. And every time you see a fire, it says meteorite didn't start it. Reason why it's making that shape is because it's shape of the dome. Rainbow. Scripture says these falling meteorites are actually fallen angels from the beginning of time till today. All fake. Does this look real though? For real?